So when it comes to choosing the right niche for video editing agencies, for creative agencies, then you should watch this video, because I will reveal this one niche which is right now untapped. And when you will focus on this one niche in the couple of next month, then you will cash out a lot of money. So I'm literally also focusing on this one niche, and I'm going to reveal it now. The first question we need to ask ourselves is, what is untapped and why can we make a lot of money in these niches? So it depends really on your offer. When you're only video editing and you focus on only editing the video and deliver the only video towards your clients, then it will get hard in any niche where you're focusing on, even on the niche I'm going to reveal, because you're replaceable and you don't offer any kind of, I would say, leverage. For sure, when you're editing very, very good and you have a unique style which is not replaceable of a lot of video editors, then for sure it's more highly demand for you to focus on certain niches. But I'm talking about building a video agency where you can actually hire video editors which are doing most of the work, and where you can then focus on the right niche where you can charge per client $3,000 to $4,000 per month, and still you have a team which is doing the video editing. So you should pivot from video editing towards building a result, or getting a result for your clients. If you want, you find a link, first link in the description. We have a free guide, completely free, which is explaining step by step on which niche or which business model you should focus on as a video editor. So long story short, it's building channels, building YouTube channels or building short form channels for your clients. And then you should focus on this one niche, or let's say like this one big niche has several other niches which are high ticket sales. And in this high ticket sales, I'm right now personally focusing on real estate, finance, private equity, and I have also some clients right now which are organizing passports, visas, opening companies, whatsoever. So when you're focusing on this niche, you can literally ask higher prices, because when you acquire, let's say, 5 clients per month, it depends on which sector you're focusing on right now. Let's say, for example, finance or real estate. And when you get 5 buyers per month, let's say, or let's say just 2, and they close these deals, and a development company, or let's say a real estate agency, and they close 2 deals from your content, that could be $20,000, that could be also $100,000, depends on the commission. What I want to say, you step away from these low leverage niches such as gaming or some influencers which are not making that much money either, and you focus on real B2B offers, real B2B businesses which are offering high ticket sales, and you make content for them which are acquiring the right, real, truly trusted customers into their calendar. This is completely going to change your life, their life, and you have a complete different view on this whole business thing. You will have a complete different perspective, and you will see actually what's working. So I'm flying to Germany in the next couple of weeks, where we build a YouTube channel for luxury assets. And when we get the right customers for these assets, this company is making a very good amount of money, and this compounds on itself for the future. So if you want to know how this works step by step, I have a free blueprint, free video down below, first link in the description, where I'm explaining step by step how to double down on these agencies. You want to hit the first $10,000 per month. If you have any further questions, let me know down in the comment section below. And if you want to take a shortcut, you can also book straight away a call into my calendar, and I will explain you this step by step how it works. So if you found value in this video, then for sure we will see each other in my next video. Bye bye.